Hello children, welcome to the 7th session of the lesson The Rabbit and the Lion. I am Kavya. Children, as you may be aware, we are working on getting some good practice with the use of common and proper nouns to indicate ownership. In the last session, we worked on the activities that helped us identify and form nouns showing ownership. Today, we shall work on some more activities and use opportunity to gain good clarity or understand this topic better. So let us work on companion activity 3C now. This activity will help you understand the arrangements of words in a sentence. Through this activity, you will also revise on how to place apostrophe and S while indicating ownership. So how is it done? The words in the sentences are not in the right order. You will have to figure out how to arrange them in the right order and frame correct sentences. You will also place apostrophe and S correctly. Don't you think that's interesting? It's like solving a challenge, right? So let us see what is there. Let us see if we can rearrange the words to frame correct sentences. Here you go. I will read out the instructions for you. Rearrange the words given below to frame a correct sentence. Use the apostrophe suitably to indicate ownership. One example has been done for you. Book is on table. Ram's the. How do we rearrange this? I think it should be Ram's book is on the table. Yes, that makes sense. First, identify the noun that owns something and then you will be able to rearrange the sentence in an order. Now, it is your turn to work on the activity. Take time to think about the noun that owns something in each sentence. If you have your companion with you, write today's date and start working in it. If not, you can do this in your notebook. Don't forget to write activity number 3C before you start doing. You can take 15 minutes to complete this activity. Press pause now to work on this and play when you're done. Now that you've learned how to rearrange words to frame meaningful sentence, as a next step, don't you think we should also try to create new sentences using the nouns that indicate ownership? I think that's a good idea. So yes, we're going to be creating new sentences now that indicate ownership. So how do we do that? We're going to be doing it by looking at a picture given here. So are you ready? This is companion activity 3D. I will read out the instructions for you. Okay? Look at the picture. Talk about what belongs to whom and describe them. After that, you have to frame 5 sentences of your own to indicate ownership. Children, you will have to frame sentences of your own showing ownership based on this picture. Think of all the people that you see in this picture. Think of what they have with them or what they own. Use the two in your sentences. An example has been done for you. Can you see a girl? What is she carrying with her? Yes, the girl is carrying a doll. So your sentence can be, the girl's doll looks like a cat. Similarly, you have to create 5 sentences of your own. It's your turn now to work on the activity. If you have your companion with you, start working on it. Else you can do this in your notebook. Don't forget to write activity name 3D. You can take 15 minutes to complete the activity. Press pause to work on it and play when you're done. So that was plenty of practice, right? You have learned how to indicate ownership with both common and proper nouns. You have also created sentences using them. With that, we have come to the end of this session. We will work on a few more activities in the next session on how to use the nouns to indicate possession. Until then, Happy learning. Bye.